Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today I'm going to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price because guys, you can clearly see it happen exactly as I told you. Guys, yesterday we broke this massive $29,350 area, and I told you that if this massive weekly resistance is going to break, then the $30,500, which is the most major resistance for the Bitcoin at that time, because as you know, if we're going to break this massive yellow line and stay above that, it's an indication of the beginning of the bull run. So I told you yesterday that if we're gonna break this $29,350 area, we're gonna get straight to this yellow line for a retest. And you can clearly see that before a couple hours we did that insane move up to $30,500. So right now, obviously you're gonna ask me, Chris, what's happening? Why we saw this insane pump? Is actually the altcoin season in the corner? All these things, guys, I'm gonna explain you in this video. So all you have to do, if you would like to know what's the next move for the Bitcoin price according to what I believe, you have to remain until the end of the video. And guys, before we continue, I would like to show you my Patreon, because here is where I'm sharing with you big gems, guys. You can receive buy signals, sell signals, stake signals, access to my portfolio, and the most important thing, guys, you're gonna see the strategy that I followed in my previous bull run, and I made crazy wealth through that. And not even the one strategy, but right now I'm going to deploy you over 3 strategies that you can follow according to how you're gonna play the risk management by yourself. It's gonna depend. Okay, I'm gonna show you exactly what personally I'm gonna do in the next bull run, and the best thing that you can get from that kind of a membership is my buy signals, because guys, I'm investing in startup companies with a huge potential to do 100x, a 200x, a 500x, or even 1000x or more. And with that kind of X's, guys, you can actually convert those X's into BTC and make more BTC through all this process. I'm deploying you with big details, guys, my strategy, and all I can recommend you is to enter, because the first 50 people who are gonna join are gonna get benefit by only that price forever. Subsequently, the price is gonna get much bigger, because throughout the weeks, guys, I'm gonna share with you all the profits that from the guys who enter into this membership group, and you're gonna see by yourself that if you are not in the first 50 people, you're gonna lose a big opportunity to have such a big utility with such a low price. Okay, so before we continue to our analysis, I would like you guys to smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much within this journey. And also, guys, I would like you also to follow me on my Twitter, because here I'm sharing with you guys imminent moves of the Bitcoin price, and also sometimes I'm giving you altcoin picks that I invest personally. So that's why it's really important to follow me on my Twitter. And right now, let's dive straight into our analysis without losing more time, because guys, you're gonna clearly see on the daily time frame, the last couple weeks and days, I showed you this massive bull flag, and you can clearly see that I had told you that this $28,380, which is a very strong resistance of this bull flag, if you remember, I told you, if you're gonna see a confirmation of breakout, we're gonna get straight to retest this $30,500 as we did before a couple hours. And obviously I told you that, if you remember, every daily candle which we are closing above the $28,000, which is this blue line, and this blue line, guys, is a very strong daily resistance, is an indication of an imminent pump and break actually every kind of resistance that we have ahead of us as it happened. So you can clearly see that the first daily candle that we closed above this $28,000, it was an indication of an imminent pump, that we went straight to retest this crucial resistance of this bull flag. And subsequently, the next day, you can clearly see, which was yesterday, we broke this massive resistance and we went to retest this $29,350, which is our weekly resistance, and also we broke it. And I told you that if we're gonna break, guys, this bull flag resistance, obviously we're gonna have massive strength to break also the $29,350 area, and we're gonna get straight to retest the $30,500 area. Right now, the Bitcoin is retesting the most crucial and important resistance to actually flip into the beginning of the bull run. And you can clearly see that this major resistance, it was the previous support of the previous bull run of 2021. If we're gonna surpass this massive, guys, resistance, stay above that, I'm gonna flip into extremely bullish, and actually I'm gonna flip to extremely bullish, because I believe subsequently we won't drop again under $30,000. Okay, so before we move into the next analysis, into the next pattern, guys, this bull flag has technical price target at $37,000, and so if we're gonna break this massive $30,500 area, obviously we're gonna get straight to this massive $37,000, and of course we won't achieve that technical price target instantly. We're gonna see some slow move until we're gonna accomplish. We will need a couple days or even weeks to accomplish this $37,000 area. Okay, guys, so guys, in the 4-hour time frame, we also have this massive 4-hour time frame symmetrical triangle, which I told you from the first time that if this is gonna break to the upside, we're gonna get straight to this technical price target of $31,000. You can clearly see that we are so close to accomplish this technical price target of this symmetrical triangle. I showed you that many days before, and also from the other side I showed you that if we were at this area, if we were going to break that to the downside, we would have a massive retest of the most crucial support of the Bitcoin price, which I told you that as we stay over this $25,200, I remain neutral. And if you remember, I told you that if we're gonna break this $25,200, I'm gonna flip to very bearish mode. Okay, right now I'm neutral. I'm still neutral because we didn't break the $30,500 area, but we are very close to break it. And if we break it, guys, and stay above that, as I told you previously, I'm gonna flip to extremely bullish. And let's move, guys, into the monthly time frame, because we have the most important signal for the Bitcoin price that most people right now ignore, and it's this MACD indicator. Guys, if the monthly MACD indicator flip into bullish territory with this golden cross, that can be an indication of the beginning of the bull run. The last time that we saw something like that, you can clearly see that we saw an incredible pump to the upside. So be ready, because if we're gonna close this month in green, there is huge potential to close and flip with a golden cross this MACD into bullish territory, and that's an indication of a very bullish price action for the Bitcoin price. And last but not least, guys, I would like to show you the Bitcoin dominance. You can clearly see that right now we are going to break the highest point that we have experienced in all this bear market. And guys, if Bitcoin is going to surpass and break this massive resistance on the Bitcoin dominance, guys, there is a massive potential to see the second altcoin season, and we're gonna see all the altcoins into huge blow up. So be ready, because if you're gonna see any kind of explosive move of the Bitcoin price, of the Bitcoin dominance, this could be an insane bullish indication of the altcoin season. And if you would interesting about this altcoin season, I recommend you guys to get into my Patreon and actually to be a VIP soldier, because you won't regret the buy signals that I'm gonna share with you. Okay, already I shared with you guys 3 buy signals in the 2 days, and of course obviously most of those signals are in my current portfolio, but I have 5 to 10 more projects into under investigation, and if I find good opportunity and a good entry, you're gonna see these entries before anyone else on the internet. Okay, and when actually the coin is going to blow up and actually everybody was going to talk for that coin, I personally take profits, and this is why my strategy is very profitable. And that's what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question, and I will see you all tomorrow with fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.